continuing to discuss accelerated learning for all in our Work Smarter, Not Harder series. Accelerated learning for all is employing a variety of systems and strategies to enhance the learning progress of students who have experienced unfinished learning so that they can master current grade level expectations. Building your campus culture and instructional systems to ensure accelerated learning for all next year is truly working smarter, not harder, to meet the needs of your students. Let's look at one way to begin building this mindset for staff. First, select a book or article that will provide the why and a shared language for moving forward as a team. Next, support the learning for your staff by developing clear, specific guidelines for the study, including how much time they'll have for their study, a pay attention to or PAT list to help them process along the way, and hold them accountable for the learning by asking for a specific response. This deliverable could be a contribution to a shared workspace or a prepared response using a graphic organizer. Communicate the details of the plan. Be sure to include what you're studying, why, how it will work, who all is involved, and when and where the supporting group activities will take place. Let's look at an example plan. This campus decided to read Learning in the Fast Lane by Susie Pepper Rollins. You can see they'll distribute the books over the last week of school to staff for staff to read over the summer and have already scheduled when departments will share their reflections at staff meetings throughout the fall. They're supporting the independent study by providing a PAT list to guide reading and have asked for all staff to respond using a graphic organizer that is commonly used with students during instruction. The plan is clear to all staff when, how, and why they're reading Learning in the Fast Lane. Thanks for watching today. I hope this example provides you with some ideas for your campus. Be sure to comment or tag me and let me know what a book or article you would like to study with your campuses. Please visit our website to find more videos in the Work Smarter, Not Harder series. Watch our social media for next week's video on accelerated learning for all with Terry Clement.